Hello everybody, it's the Swedish Traveler here. How you doing? This is going to be another unboxing. This is going to be another hot sauce unboxing as well. I ordered these ones at the same time I ordered the last ones I did. So just gonna remove the address tag. Shit, where they taping. They were taping a lot on this one. So in a sense, I already know what's in this. And there's a lot of them. And I must say it's totally packed differently compared to the other one. The first one is a torchbearer hot sauce. I'm gonna remove the price tag. Smoky horseradish. I do have the headless horseradish one, as you might have seen on my streams. And the second one, honey mustard. So I do have quite a lot of those. Well, a lot of torchbearer ones. And the next one is Blair's Megadeth. So this is my fourth one. I have the original Ultra, Sudden, now Mega. So that's going to be interesting to try out as well. And the next one, Pain is Good, Louisiana. So that might be interesting as well. Cajun spices and all that. Next one, Pain is Good Jamaican, and that's might be an interesting one as well. I don't know when I will be uploading this one though. I'd upload this on Saturday. And the next one, Come to the Dark Side of the peppers, chipotle peppers, water, onions, habaneros, chipotle, garlic powder, amongst other things. Next one, Blair's Beyond Death. Come on, camera. So number 5, collector's edition. I'm gonna guess that one will probably hurt like crazy. And next one, Mad Dog 357. Come on, camera, god damn it. There we go, Mad Dog 357 with a golden bullet keyring, over 1 million Scoville units, so that one is probably gonna hurt as well. And the next one is another Hellfire, Hellfire Evil Bastard. So there's a lot of really hot ones. And going with the death theme, after death. So and the last one is Jersey Death. So there's a lot of death sauce and evil bastards and all kinds of stuff. And that's the unboxing. So there's a lot of hot sauces that I have to try out whenever I can do the stream. So comment below what you think. Wish me luck. Wish my stomach luck. Like and subscribe, and if you want to support my channel, you can buy some merch in merch shop down below. Otherwise, peace.